In part 1 of this series, we looked at a design overview for powering campervans and motorhomes. I'm Katy from Azeco, and in this video we are going to show you how to simplify the design and explain the advantages and disadvantages of combining system components. Let's get started. We're going to explore a range of solutions to simplify your system. A standard battery-to-battery charger is designed to charge in one direction. It's often used when driving to charge the service battery from the starter battery, so the energy from the alternator can be stored. But what happens if you're camping and realise your starter battery is dead because the headlights were left on for too long? In this case, you would want energy from your service battery to be transferred to the starter battery. The first option is to install a second battery-to-battery charger. A simpler solution is to install a single battery-to-battery charger with reverse charge functionality, so that it can charge in both directions. You can now jump-start your vehicle. To keep the starter battery maintained, you can use a small solar panel. Alternatively, you could use a battery charger with an inverter from the service battery. Instead of these components, you could install a dual battery charger. This charges the service battery and also supplies a small amount of energy to the starter battery to keep it topped up and in good condition. Another simplification is to replace the highlighted items with a solar charge controller with a built-in battery-to-battery charger. There are many benefits of combining components, as they are typically faster and less expensive to install. There are less wires, fuses and switches. It can also provide a tidier and more compact installation. However, if a component does fail, it's more expensive to replace the entire unit. In the next video, part 3, we cover how to monitor your system. If you liked the video, please click like and subscribe to our channel.